Hello friends, good evening. Today's story is Little Mermaid. In a sea there used to live a father and her old mother with six daughters. One of the day, it was the fifth daughter's birthday. So the father gave a treat for everyone who lives in the sea, and he said, means the those daughters who got 18 years will go to the surface, means they'll come to the land and they'll visit, and by evening they'll go. So she got 18 years and her father said to go to the surface, and again she should return at evening. So she went, means the treat was completed, and she went to the she wanna go to the surface. So her sixth daughter Eva said, I'll also go with my sister. So the father rejected because she didn't get 18 years. So he was very close to her sixth daughter Eva. So he said no. So she felt sad, and she said that you don't love me. So she'll have a friend. She'll have a friend, and she said that everyone know that your fathers love you more than anyone. So so her friend said that, why, means the Eva asked, why didn't my father send me to the surface, means her friend said, if who gains 18 years they'll only go to the surface. Then she said, how many years are there for me still remaining, how many years are there, she asked. She said only 1 year. So from then she started her count. She drawed some 365 lines on the board, and she kept day by day. Means every day she was crossing one day. So meanwhile she went to her grandmother and asked, means all the humans look like us or no? So then the grandma said, no, they do not look like us. They have legs instead of fish wings. So she said okay, and she spoken with her grandma. So much they have spoken so much time, and the grandma said it is too late. Now go to sleep. So all the children went to the sleep. And one day, Eva will get a toy of one prince. Someone has thrown in the sea, so she'll get it. So the prince looked very handsome. She liked that toy, so she used it to keep with her. The 365 days completed. So it's her birthday. So they have given the treat on that day, and the father allowed to send her to the surface. With Eva, her friend also will go. So they went on to the surface, and they were behind a stone. Means if her father said, be careful with humans, they may harm us. So she was means someone are coming in a boat. So she was behind a stone. So she saw, who, means there were some people on the boat. She saw them. So the prince's birthday was celebrated on the ship, and she saw that. So she said that, what the person is similar to my toy. So the friend said he was the princess of this house. So he was giving a treat for his birthday. She said okay, and they were seeing. In sudden there was a big storm. Due to a big storm, there were strong tides. So the force is very more, and the boat was fallen. The prince is fallen down, and he was in unconscious. So Eva saved him, and she tried to awake him, but he was in he was in unconscious, so he's not getting cure. So someone are coming backside, so she came into the sea again. Means she was seeing from the behind rock, and she was seeing someone came, and someone means actually Eva saved him, but he saw the other person saving him, so he felt she only saved him. So Eva was very happy that he was saved. After few days, she said, means she loved the prince. She loved the prince. So she want to turn, means she want to look like a human. And in sea, there will be a magical woman who fulfills the wishes of them. So if she fulfills our desire, she'll take something in return. So Eva asked to turn her into a human. So she said that in return I'll take one of the, means I'll take something. So she said, okay, you can take from me. Means she said, I'll take your beautiful voice, and if you marry him, then I will give your voice back. So she lost her voice and she became into a human. So she went on to the surface and she was speaking to the prince, and he danced with him, means all is good. In sudden, another girl came, and the princess said to his father that I like her, I want to marry her. But the Eva felt very sad for that. So another person came, and means some another girl came, means like princess have no feelings on Eva, so he married another girl. So her friend saw this and said to her father and her sisters. So her father and sisters went to the magical woman and said that, please give my daughter's voice and turn her into a fish again. So she said that if she kills the prince, then I'll give back her everything. So she was not, means she loved the princess, right? So she cannot do that. So she didn't do that. If she did not do that, she will die. Means she'll not get her voice, and she cannot turn into a fish. So she'll die automatically. So she was very kind to everyone, and the aquatic animals also she was very kind. So her father prayed to the goddess very well, and means she was about to die, but the goddess saved her. Means the goddess gave her voice, and they took with her. They took Eva with her like a angel, like an angel they took with her. Why did you take me like this? Means she said that I like your honesty and hospitality towards everyone, so I don't like you to die. So they said that they took Eva with them. So at last she said goodbye to her father and her sisters. So this is today's story. Thank you.